Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about different uh, modify command. When you use from modify command is different here available. Just like uh, different command is mirror command, copy command, move, mirror, offset command, fillet command, pattern command. Different types of command is available. Step by step I will explain for this modify command. Then as well as I will explain this shortcut key. So now I will discuss about mirror command, how to get mirror in AutoCAD as using for shortcut key and directly use for command. So this is like I will create the simple diagram here. This is line. If I use the rectangle, okay, when I directly use for shortcut key, not use here, use REC, it's called rectangle. Look at this here, rectangle, like create the rectangle. And if I make the line join, so L enter, directly click the L enter and join this point to this point. If I want back this position, so Ctrl Z, I will click the Ctrl Z in directly back in our actual position. So now exit on sketch, escape enter, and now I will show you how to get mirror. So I will click this line here, particular line. When click again L enter, then I will join the line from straight line. Here click this straight line and as well as ortho. When I click the ortho line, is going to straight. So again press here the create the line, and I will go to mirror. So where is it mirror? This is like modify command. Modify command just above this, like mirror here. Okay, this is copy, stretch, offset, scale command, fillet command, pattern command, rotate. So different types of command is available here. So today I will discuss about mirror. Mirror is just like same copy is create to other side. So when I go to mirror here, so first of all select this object, which object you want to go to mirror. So select this object here, then look at this mirror. So when I click the mirror and start from this point and again start, click this point, then after go to enter. So you look at this diagram, this same diagram is going to copy like mirror, same diagram is opposite direction. Again I will show you. I was back here, then go to mirror. So when you go to mirror, before select this object. So when I select this all object and go to mirror here and click this point, select and go to mirror and click this point and again click this point and enter. Again click this point, select this point, select this all diagram and go to mirror here and click this point and also click this point and again enter. Like it is very easy. When again I will click the line here, L enter and click the line. When again I will click the line, L enter and again joint. And how to use the shortcut key of mirror. So today I will discuss about directly use mirror and shortcut use mirror. So shortcut mirror is called MI enter. If you click the MI enter, there directly apply the mirror command. You don't go this area. You directly click the MI. I will directly click the MI. Look at this, is called mirror here, MIRR. So mirror is enter provide. This is called apply the mirror. When I go to select this all body, look at this, select this all body and go to enter, apply the mirror, and here click the mirror and I will go to. So it is very easy from working. Again I will use MI enter, select all body and enter and click this point, and again also click this point and after go to enter. So today I will discuss about how to use mirror. Directly click this command here, and second thing is how to use shortcut key of mirror. So today has complete. Thank you.